So finally, here it is, after a day of printing, the kite tube. This is a rather peculiar shape, and I was asked by some photographer that works there to create this and 3D print this in lovely green, which is the company color theme. I'm guessing, obviously, right? And yeah, it's really cool. I guess it's for some social media photography stuff. And it took me about literally 3-4 minutes to design this. This shape is already available in TinkerCAD, so not complicated. I've used Inkscape to create a vector, raster, whatever it's called, from the image, trace bitmap, or some option like that. I don't remember off the top of my head. And yeah, then imported into TinkerCAD, extruded it, and there you go. Applied it at the top, and it's all looking really fancy. It looks so much better in person. This phone doesn't do it justice, but yeah, super easy design. One day on the printer, on the Minda, and looks really cool. So yeah, that's it. Cheers.